Hey everyone! It's Connie from Thoughts of Treasures. Today we are going to be making the Halloween shelf sitter craft. We're going to be taking these little decals that I cut out my Cricut. We're going to use some orange. This is some lime green. And this is Waverly chalk paint in white. So we're just going to paint each one of these sticks. They're 2x2s. I mean, if that technically is a 2x2, no, it's probably less than that according to the wood. We're just going to paint each one, each color, one green, one orange, and one, not pink, I don't know where I got that from. One white, one green, and one orange. White, green, and orange. Let's get that straight. Good Lord. So we're just going to paint each one and get a full coat on there. You can do as many coats as you want. No rhyme or reason to that. And these are again wood that I picked up at Lowe's, I believe, and they're not in the best shape. I'm not sure what they really even use them for, but they're cheap and they make great wood pieces for crafts. So if you ever see them, pick them up. I made 4th of July USA firecrackers with them. I've done pumpkins with them, and now we're doing this set for the Halloween. So once you get the colors on that you want, and again, however many coats you want, how thick you want it, it's all depend on your taste. We're going to line them up just like that. And I'm going to use some transfer tape, and we're going to use this to transfer our decals onto each block. Now I know not everybody has used to a Cricut or a Silhouette, so please keep in mind if you're interested in doing something like this, you can contact me, and I do sell the decals already on the transfer tape for you just have to apply. All customized too, so if you wanted different sizes, it all works. So there's our 3 decals on there. I'm going to use a little wood glue and some hot glue to adhere them together. I want them to all sit straight or even at the bottom so they would sit nicely flat on the table. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of jute twine to make it look like the jute is holding them together. And again, you can wrap this many times as you want. Once, twice. So when I put the decals on, I did kind of move them to the top so that it wouldn't be covering their faces or mouth part. And then we're just going to end them together and hold that on there. And guys, if you are inspired by making something like this, please join my Thoughts of Treasures page or my Crafty Friends page and show me what you make. We'd love to have you.